no cran sign, but nipa nempenica.
I see.
What is it? Yeah, now take us every no crass and no cran sign.
Nipa
nempenica. Now, me tear me near Messiah film, who's so abomi. She, Eki, what ya, and now the terms be brave about forensic wine. Yes, I may not be a security expert. I may not be knowledgeable in investigation. But in the school of life and in the school of common sense, Ebiana Mikita PhD. She, Eki, what are the issues? Many years old, I said now Bano, any politics, and I've heard a lot of media host for Omokansa Asem.
Menkasa.
It's marks of the double standards and hypocrisy.
Eki, mind him.
Eki, topic I'm on 2 Wendy. A Bible quotation. Isaiah chapter Ibi Wahana. Look, Tama aban we a position or better power. Almost sign again, I repeat, social contract with us. Now here on manifesto numa Eki, Ene Kitami. Page 147. Under security, me can't get to a biatro. Or say, Ghanaians are becoming increasingly concerned about their security due to the increasing levels of crime and lawlessness under the Mahama-led NDC government. TMU. And Nana Akufo-Addo Kasano, wabo John Mahama-led NDC government say insecurity war my name.
This is the 10th time
no,
I'm just saying
Mamoa Eki, the GDA say Obemana Kanano to say the matter and a boy.
We do a gentleman. Onimpa na mo ase oyesa.
Enti Magana Fonya adwene bi say Jomama eba security a oni mo hwe. Enti yensesa no ne emfa President Akufo-Addo aban ne mra. Ne de ba security no be improve. Ye Bible won say mebe gina brane. Na Jomama ye incompetent NDC emwa o man Ghana. E na Ghana fo tie wo eke utie bi ye nyina etie bi. E na dodo na ye kwoto aba no. Omode tumi na mamo. Say mo mra na mo mesesa situation na ye won previously no. Menim so what ase ya. Now Eki, let me also make this point forcefully. It is not for nothing. And I say, you got to about 7 December, we are. Now you declare president. First thing, Ghana for ya and say, yeah, dear Bible, now she said the paninsa. And you say, oh, Eki, crowd journalist, now Ochinabi, I don't be do mona by your mampania. Constitution, ready to me, Amman, say, now we are the commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. Oh, pe Anna, Utimi appointed IGP. We pay and our appointed national security coordinator, BNI director, all the security couples, irrespective of the fact say only security background biano. It is because you the buying book and you be biano. I say wo o mampani nensa. Eke what you say. So the wisdom and the discretion I will be exercise. Etimi atena se hu so oh me nua prince obi mpe. Me de ne national security couple a ebeboa me. Me de ebia me nua kumi eye IGP a ebeboa me. Me de bia prince ahenkan ebe BNI director ebe boa me no. Sound sense of judgment and wisdom and discretion no. So timi ye na ye ni yie na omu deliver na ye ban bo ho nsem ni gina brania. Ultimately ni ye di ho animonyam ni nyina e ma wo mampani na na me boa yeke. Because ye tie nei and UN United Nations higher rankings and ye say Ghana security e one of the best. MPP form fan ko show mu book of achievement mu ana. So where is this hypocrisy and double standards coming from? Yet when you set up crowded girls in your womb, animu ya and Kaban we were fans. But animbuasiaba and what's your back is on the wall, and no dear me and the politics. Sanya to if you and a topic where Isaiah chapter 2, verse 1. Near Bekanya Miasemwa. Eki, median one 2 we Mineke can't say be and a US abrochimamu citing cases, but say US abrochimamu na mamiti wabe a press conference we are Kayinadi. Say US abrochimamu and a police for conduct to a security couples a conduct to a say and kabebrebe resign ki apam. So what you say it will compare no asan adwene hu mienu. Then he says say ye fair any ade hwe anka wodan me o kan sa na me ho adwene me because eke mu media for kura na mo boa family no initially no family no kura so o mo koye case na o mo mfi meboa. Enti omo na dwan e de asem no be dan mu media for yi e na ba public ansa na police for yi sore waka meboa e ma mu interview DC you know ne regional minister any ade said e be ya ube ye be hu anamo wankasa reseg no any police for e western region A2 afa ho me kai say wo hwe time as time started some be demonstration police force wo to anamo no then it emerged say suspect na ye che no no watimi apie wadwane okay na what was interesting and say suspect ritimi nya hacksaw blade e di twa prison gate that there no e na di pie na on say eke ye chewa ye woro ohun nyina na ya je mobile phones ne gadgets e wo ohun nyina. It is also interesting and striking say suspect ni nya ne ntare na on the day of arrest no ye free no onya sa atare ne back otimi sa nya ne mobile phone back etimi frɛ family no say mo ka say e beche me de makoto mu ana na mapie demanding ransom ansa no majai takrade phone call am. So the question is one mo na bo a suspect no e ma ni timi nya ne 3D mu edwane ye bu ban okogina court before ye be sentence no to say 3 years or say no eke wanka okoto say police here the form yenu bi na bo anoma ni dwane ye no abeka say we have not been fair to police, we have not been fair to wine. The conduct of the Ghana police in this whole matter no Emma obinya adwini bi say as a police for na nkasa nim sa enkola miensa we ba bi omo se kwan omo fo aso ya kidnap omo aye nhunu omo no. There are certain people within the Ghana police service they know and a police won di this. Another question eke sa police for na ye say omo bu a suspect ne ma di dwane ye omodien anamona Ghana police to afan what say ye investigation bi ni ababe hu say eke ekumi and ye sade no enti ye sanction o ma na ye twe o ma so what be bi sa and the Ghana police is quiet on it enti mo bi ntina create impression bi say NDC fo bi na ti ba bi ana media fo bi na ti ba bi e na omu kuki nsem e kan di gu aban hu fi ana omu gu Ghana police hu fi by their own conduct and o makofa sade na dia beto omu so again eke Sabe, most and for Mona Modi a Kumane se can't go to Mamiti was on my press conference. And yet ye chrome ha, Yasuma Due, and one was so a person on the Mudinkita home, at once after a Muju TV for ne, Adum TV no more maka, say Momrana or person or no mine casa. Obi di 20 a janko janaso. And I would two and to say, Unim baby and Colano. Now Colano, Mudu must here for safekeeping. Emritia yo bi enche bia mo de bebre o mawofo anameboa nya ono aneka and the video is there video no lie nya safo je neka mamiti wana out of a own volition na this asem no beto o man anim e ma ye nyina ka so we ni atadwe yate de enche bia atakrade nkola ye o ma yire o mo beba ma asumdwa ye den aba western region for o ma suma dwo mo Ghana ma o mo nsunu gujam obi anya akomatoye mo then later no mo twesi. So, asem na mamiti wa beka ye no kra no enye no kra me ka asem we power with passion before mamiti wa ye just after mamiti wa press conference Daily Guide Chairman Freddie Blaine in newspaper e publish say omumpo de o man ka say ye nimba bi ankola no omo say kidnap girls in dey in Accra omo okroma
okay story no omo health facility bi
yes also omo wa ha say hospital say ye hwe omo pomudin ni ade e ma detailed information and you see nyese bibinti na me site Chairman Freddie Blaine newspaper eba aban we any inside information untimi discount
when this story you interview crowd
ana me untimi untimi discount Daily Guide for Christ say Chairman Freddie Blaine by virtue of so national chairman or cabinet meetings eti upe crème de la crème inside information wo aban we mu or the paper the bibi beto you have no reason to doubt it
to ensure so cabinet meeting or looking for
even after police for try U10 on NIT FM haya omu interview editor Yenua Fortuna Limi and I have the more piece FM more the YouTube video
interview
good Emma or Sisu dia said the police for no cry can omu U10 na my no cry omu nim di omu kan and that omu sources within the BNI still confirm say enkola no omu wo ha mebo aka tem say mebo omu cry discredit police for no say ma no omu kan. The video is there. No, NDC for never can yana. What they are not to nchenya. Omampani sofo and audio is attacked. Eka say.
Ne sofo ben.
Reverend Owusu Bempa.
Na one a case omampani sofo.
Oh, na ye na omoba ba mu a order na se ka acknowledging so ye ne sofo call ho ma o shira no ma na beben wa hu. Wa
you so na beben man tise waka so sofo.
Okobo afore 10,000 Ghana, 100 million ni nyina wa hu na na. O pese me nchire mu ana ka me de me ka atwam. So, eso de beto abonten say, wonu so nimba bi ankola ne wo. Na omampani frɛ ne pɛ. Obetre ba bi ankola ne wo. na wo eke de o kan wo mfiu na nka we de senka ya asem papa tinka no anse o mampani president Akufo-Addo o su bempa mate se o su woni baabi ankola no wo wadawruma pressure damiso o oman ni nyina ehwe me timi sro kire na nka yenkofa ankola no mra nyemfo o mkomo o mawofo. What is preventing the president from doing that? Nansen Yayi, Owura Brenda Champon, who is Minister of State in charge of national security or Flagstaff or Jubilee House or also will be enforced on a semper FM. No, the better was say, and Colani do Munim baby or more. Or Munim baby and Colani. And no man for two and a bomb or Uncle Brian so on one a better and to so in baby and Colano. And Untino, Abusia phone call Makuma to me, and Tibia, Yedin Colan Bebromo. This security expert. Owura Adam Buna, so nimno.
Adam Buna.
So nimno. Was say, BNI director na, aban we sake no. Aban we sake no. Etu kwan ko one of the West African countries na ehon ankwala no wa on negotiate for the release of the 3 kidnapped girls from Takoradi. Eno so wonte. Eke unti.
The cause of that na ban yi the free o.
Okoba ye na mu ne yi no. Okoba ye na mu ne yi no na maame tiwa na onu betwa ntro tu mfutro gu Ghana ni ne to di onu ehu ba bia nkola no on se ensam na ntisi so di onu ehu ba bia nkola no wo e negotiate with kidnappers o se Taliban fo se die o na ye ja nkola no ne ye de o ma bre o ma wo fo na ban we ayi na di aban we ayi na di na maame tiwa na o ye press conference wie san be dane na no eyi ye nkwanta no onu no te ho ade we what you know what? Not just a grand scheme bio, say a conspiracy bio, and a band way person, you need the band way person or them Kolana Kasaye. Look, my video family no Ankasa Diabetua Bontin say, on the last engagement on the Ghana police here. Ghana police for catcher almost say, Kolano Nigeria. Eke me yesho se sansem no so what peace FM mo dia news ni ade semwa police for no muslim kola no Nigeria so how come na musan be twan tro be ka kire so yakoti sa amu bi ewo Takoradi ne suspect se nkola no a enti yakwa akoye forensic say investigation o se den ateki DNA no say omo a nkola from the onset muslim nimba bi omo the latest one so omo Nigeria yes BNI director bi ko negotiate for their release West African country bi then no mo san be from approbe 5 to 6 months in ye ekemi busa then no mo be from apro is it the case say Ghana police person catch o man Ghana nyina say so from the time Ankola we right and some o ma be catch ye nyina no na atro sem na da any 77 fontini be ka say akohwie na no mu di kire Ghana na ekemi busa eya akohwie na no mu di kire Ghana na
me you anu
me nka say yi ma no on Peace FM ya family no they abeto was as far back as in February this year mukura mo beje o mo blood sample eno kura ya hu eno de na mo so o mo de koye eno ya hu de na mo so o mo de ko
no we discover human remains be
there be February but to the enfa ne say no mo investigation e bi kura mo ko hu obi o pese o mo check hwe say pa na say bibia o de enfa no kura nche wo mo then na mu wi a masa be ka so dead bodies no bones na makwa discover no mo pese family ni mra na mo twetwe o mu moja ne o mo ntasuo ni ade nko ye DNA na mo hwe say pa me one advice pe na me de be mo me so utie family so say initially no so mo incorporate it is because there is mistrust between o mo ne police for no police for no ne ye ne no ma aban we ye no ama o mo nya gidie wo the message suggesting say they
what has Aban got to do with it?
Aban has everything. Yeah, Aban is IGP. And yeah, Aban is IGP.
IGP.
Me say, Ajuma oye na so wani. Me busa Aban we Ajuma oye timer. Jomama chiwana no si Jomama security engine. Na Jomama is IGP.
Na Jomama tanya kidnapping.
And I'm saying na Jomama
tanya kidnapping.
Yes, ultimate responsibility because una enti na me kan say bi earlier me say wisdom. And you nyansa obetimi aka say AK2 we or ye IGP a be boy ye Bible me ye die na director be boy ye Bible wo ye na ye yi ide ni munya ma e de nim guase ba ko for square pegs in ground rules ba ye de be bo AK ma me see for me so e ma me hang question na de ba mu na yi wa no AK de me suggesting say omonko pe a private medical practitioner na
only police phone ni
meba wo de tie mi wie enya me na me ni family na ankasa antrase police na omukoye meba omukoye omo ankasa DNA sequencing omuye wia police for no so wo lab omukoye DNA sequencing on the bones they have discovered in the presence of maybe a neutral person omu nyina agiri yes ebia ye DNA anu nie muso makoye mo DNA anu nie ye kase an o eyepe ene se ye mana ye kase ani enye pe ene ye mana omo tiase eno no de enim se afa de obi akoma beto ne yem ba se wo de blood sample na wo saliva akoma police de akoma lab who knows because they say no ye ntrase the police for yi no omo said akoye te se eyepa na is a case closed meanwhile no the last time omo de suspect in court no say what is a suspect ni gina so say enkwala no enwi and that they are alive enti ada na police for nipa no amache na mode na ko gina wo say wona kidnap wo no ase enkwala no omu they are alive na mo de mu pese mo ye bibi conspiracy bi grand scheme bi na ye te se sebe enkwala no omu dada you see odwene ho a and to tossum
okay as for Jamie that say me can message now for me call na sia komiso on AK it is time as for J and then